So dear students, welcome to the practical session. Today we are going to discuss about the determination of micrometric property of powder and granules. So this particular practical we have divided into three categories, three steps. First of all, we will discuss about the introduction of the today's practical. Followed by we will show you some demonstration about how to perform the practical, and in the last part we will going to discuss about the result, conclusion, discussion and outcome of the practical. So let's start the introduction part first. The term micrometric describes the science and technology related to the small particle. This property is directly related to the solubility and release characteristic of drug molecules from dosage form, and hence it is having a huge impact on drug development in pharmaceutical dosage form and its stability. So from this particular thing we have come to know that what is the importance of micrometrics property in pharmaceutical industries and development of pharmaceutical product. Now we will discuss the aim of today's practical. The aim of the practical is to determine the micrometrics property of the supplied powder sample as well as the granules. To perform the practical, we are having several objectives. First, we have to prepare the granules. Then we have to determine the micrometrics property of the supplied powder sample as well as the granules. Then based on the evaluation parameter, we will find out the results and go for the discussion and conclusion of the practical. Moving to the next part, we will discuss regarding the materials which are going to be used for preparation of this particular practical. First of all, we may require a few chemicals like starch, lactose, magnesium stearate, talc, etc. Glass apparatus like petri dish, mortar pestle, measuring cylinder, funnel and pipettes are going to use in this practical. Equipment and instrument like digital weighing balance, tap density apparatus, optical microscope and sieve shaker is going to use to perform this practical. Now going to the next part, the methods what we need to perform during these particular sessions. First of all, we have to collect the powder, weight accurately the powders, and then we will separate out a few amount of powder, and another half of the powder will be used for preparation of granules. Granules will be prepared by using weight granulation technique. After preparation of granules, the granule will be dried in the dryer up to suitable extent to have a crunchy granules. Now once the granules is prepared, then both the powder mixture and the granules will separately used to perform the following study. Angle of repose to determine the flow property. To determine the densities property of the powder, will perform bulk density and tap density. The particle size, which is the most important part of micrometrics property, will be determined by optical microscope, and particle size distribution will be determined by sieving method. So these all study we are going to perform during this practical session. Now moving towards the next session, we will discuss regarding the demonstration of different practical, and followed by we will going to discuss about the outcome and conclusion of the practical. So let's go and see our next demonstration session.